Guys, may pinabili pala ako ng sticker na waterproof. Ay, nabukas ko. Nabukas ko na yung parang black. Ito siya, waterproof.
Hello, Peppa. Peppa's Playgroup.
Buksan na natin.
Oh, green light. Well, see you later, Peppa.
Thank you for helping us, Police Officer Panda.
All in a day's work.
Unboxing ko.
Peppa is helping Police Officer Panda make sure everyone follows road safety rules.
Takot ako. Mamaya na lang natin itong buksan. Sige na. Bye-bye.
You can stay on your side of the road. Sorry, Peppa. My wheel is stuck.
Lang
Who can help you?
So guys, di ko kaya buksan. Di ko makuha yung parang yung mga sticker. Kaya kunin natin. Papakita ko yung loob.
Favorite bits of the playroom. Baby Alexander likes all the books.
This is the whole world.
And he enjoys spinning the globe.
Kung gusto niyo ng sticker,
And this is
hindi kayo sa akin.
Bonjour, little Alexander. Oh.
But he likes Madame Gazelle most of all.
Sa screen lang po ako nakatira.
He is painting
466.
pictures of themselves called self-portraits.
Kung gusto niyo kung gusto niyo ng sticker na waterproof, hingi kayo sa akin. Ito waterproof na sticker.
Well done, baby Alexander. It looks like
Kaya ayun na, bye-bye.